Hello guys.
So
Welcome
to Filmosophy,
your most favorite reaction channel on the
your
entire
most
universe.
favorite YouTube channel. Not just reaction. Yeah.
Okay, so what do we have
So-
today, Rashmi madam?
So all the chechis and chachas,
Cheta.
chetas. I
Yeah,
know.
yeah.
I'm just calling them chacha.
Are you calling them old?
So welcome to Filmosophy, and
Yes.
currently we got a lot of comment for this song
Yeah,
and
recommendations.
the recommendation about this song.
Care
So
for Kalyanam.
this is a new movie from the new movie of Prithviraj,
Which is?
which is Guru Vayaru Ambala Nadil. I don't know if I pronounce it right. It's it's a temple in Kerala.
Varel Nadial. Actually, we reacted to the teaser and trailer of it, and we were about to watch this on theater, but because of some reason, and I think we YouTube.
Because of workload, our
No,
YouTube
because of the YouTube
copy strike. I think.
Yeah, YouTube copyright
Copyright
strike,
strike.
and for the subscriber glitch, that the reason when we took a break of almost 2 weeks or 3 weeks. So we stopped also. Like we were so sad, we are so depressed because of film, because we love Filmosophy so much. Apart from all the other
And
channels.
on that note,
Yeah.
we have created a backup channel. Please
Ha,
go
ha,
and
ha.
subscribe over there,
Yeah. You will find it here.
so that you don't. If we someday you see that we don't exist, then we are over there.
Yeah, we'll exist. We'll somehow survive. We don't want to lose you guys. So
Yeah.
I actually wanted to watch this film, and a lot of our core audience members who keep recommending. Some of them said ki it's good. It's family friendly drama comedy.
Like it got mixed reviews.
Yeah. So as I was saying, ki someone said ki yeah, it's good, but like Anirban, you don't need to go to theater and spend money to watch it. You can watch it in OTT also when it comes out. So and some
But-
people said ki it's a very fun experience. You should must experience in theater. So mixed.
I think it might be like a no-brainer thing, and like
No, family drama. I think.
yeah, it's like you just go like you. For example, it's not a social commentary or something like that. I guess
Nothing heavy.
Nothing heavy. It's about the bromance. I
And
thought.
also seeing Prithviraj in Adujivitam.
Oh
It's
God.
good that he's taking a break and
Yes.
coming back to.
And you know,
Yeah.
this movie is like grossing really well, like in box
Oh,
office.
it's still running in theater.
I don't exactly know that, but
Yeah.
this is like I have seen like.
So that means it's a good movie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't imply always.
That's
but
also. But Kerala's audience, like if the movie is not good, they don't usually support it. Like unlike Bollywood, like in Bollywood also you'll see lot of terrible shitty movies of Salman
in
Khan
that
earning
note, I
100
think
crores.
Kotha Raja have
Yeah,
done
not-
really bad in box office.
Yeah,
right?
Kotha Raja was not a good movie. It was
Okay.
not a good movie. In our Kotha's Raja song reaction, also a lot of guys commented, "Don't watch this movie. Skip this movie if your guys are planning." It was not.
Oh, I remember somebody commented so rude it was that
Rude
if
for
you-
us?
No, for the movie.
Yeah.
That if you want to torture someone, then just go take them and make them watch Kotha Raja.
Yeah.
Was it that bad?
I don't know. I haven't watched it.
Yeah, no, I'm asking to the audience. So let's not wait
Huh.
for much because I want to see Prithviraj happy. So let's watch it.
Yeah, I can see the thumbnail. Do you remember this girl? She's in Malayali from
Yes,
India.
yes,
small,
yes. Even,
small role.
uh,
She's very cute.
Even recently, the video is not uploaded, but we have reacted to one of her song also.
Nee, by the time this video goes out, that video will have been uploaded. So I'll put the screenshot of the song over there because I do that editing, and you will know. That's that song, na? That hopeless girl,
like
something,
hopeless,
luckless girl, something.
yeah,
With
yeah.
Mamita is also there.
Yeah.
It was so
Arey,
funny.
I remember the lyrics.
We had
but-
so much fun watching this, watching that. Please watch it after this. So let's begin, okay? Ah, so cute she is. She can be my wife if she wants to.
Yeah. Just the
Basil! Writer, director, actor, he's so multi-talented. Oh, he'll dance also.
Then I can look at that uncle.
I've seen him somewhere, this other dude.
Heart beat, what I tell you, what I waste, கொஞ்சம் கூட slowly போகாமோ.
கொஞ்சம்.
Glass chilling
groovy song, na? Light-hearted. Basil can dance also.
Where is my Prithvi?
Prithvi. Prithvi is not invited to this wedding.
My dream of makeup up.
പുറയാകെ മൂടുന്നുണ്ടേ മേളം.
Oh! Robot.
Hello,
Wow.
guys, look beautiful.
Yeah.
She's really pretty.
My future wife.
പല പൂവ് കൊണ്ട് ചില തോരണമായത് തീരണ പോലെ ഇത്. ഇളമിവരെ തുരുതുരുനി മധുരമിട് തമിഴുകളിൽ വിരലുകൊണ്ട്.
This is not a good time. Oh.
Beautiful day. The set is so good. Someone invite us to Kerala's wedding.
I sponsor it too.
Very fun song, yeah. I'm so glad that I
But
watched
where
it.
is Prithvi?
Beautiful day. She's supposed to be Prithvi's sister, na?
Yeah, she is.
Prithvi's sister. So in her sister's wedding, brother did not come. I don't know. I haven't watched that film, so I don't know.
No, I didn't like it.
no,
Where
it
is
was.
Prithvi?
No, it was a really fun song. It was.
It
really,
was a fun song, but where is Prithvi? This is not fair. In the
Arey.
thumbnail, Prithvi was there.
अरे हाँ, clickbait. Clickbait. Yeah, thumbnail में Prithvi is there. Correct,
ये
correct.
क्या मुझे चोमू बनाया?
Yeah, thumbnail में Prithvi is there, but Prithvi was
Not
not
right.
there. सारे गामा
Ade.
सारे गामा मलयालम. You guys are doing clickbait thumbnails. Yeah, I did miss Prithvi. Yeah, I wanted to watch him
Yeah,
dance.
I-
I thought at the last for like few seconds he will do a cameo or something. We did
Yeah.
not watch the movie now, so we won't know the
won't.
context.
Yeah.
Something must have happened where he's not attending his own sister's
But
wedding.
there is one more song also, K for Kariku or something like that.
No,
Curriculum.
Karikuto is a YouTube channel with
Karikum,
funny videos.
Karikum or something like that. See, I think there is one more song. People, I think every song is like K for Kalyanam, K for something. I guess. Here,
Really?
all the songs are.
Okay.
I have to check, but some
Should we react to other songs of this?
Movie?
Depending on how this video performs. If this video performs really well, then we'll do another one.
Okay,
If this video bombs, then we'll. So it's up to you guys. Please watch our videos. Watch for a longer duration. Like it. Drop a comment so that YouTube recommends
so
it to
that
more.
you support us
Yeah.
because most of our videos are not monetizable.
Yeah.
So like we are not monetizing it, so at least you watch our videos so that at least our channel can sustain.
Channel can survive. Yeah. If we
Yeah.
don't watch our videos, then our channel will go down,
Uh-huh.
and we'll
And
not produce any more
there
videos.
won't be any motive to upload in this channel.
Yeah.
Continue. So let's not
Talk about the song.
dark side.
The song is so
the girl is
positive.
pretty.
Yeah, my future wife.
Basil is little bit funny, but I
Basil always does like funny characters.
funny characters. Jay
Yeah.
Jay है, I still remember.
Hi,
his
Jay
character. बहुत मार खाता है.
Yeah, my. Have you guys watched Jai Jai Hai? We watched Jai Jai Hai even before we had any YouTube channel
Yeah.
back when we
So-
were in Tripura.
So and one more thing that K for Kalyanam, isn't it
It's a beautiful
full
day.
day? So
Very nice song, yeah.
not for everyone, guys. I think their Kalyanam must be the.
Kalyana means marriage, na?
Yes, yes.
Ah, okay.
I really. What was that song that? Even you were teasing me that about this girl's song, like that I am that girl, like Prati.
Malayali from India ka song.
No. The recent song with Mamita.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
We that video will be there on our channel. I
I
don't
just
remember.
want to just search it, na search it. I just want to pronounce it in this.
Arey, what will I
Video.
search?
You search Mamita song. It was,
Ashubha Mangala Kari.
Ashubha Mangal Kari.
Yeah.
I remember now.
Yeah, that song was
Was
really fun. Na?
really
बहुत
fun,
मजा आया.
really
Like, we
fun.
really had
Like,
a lot of fun.
uh,
You will find it here,
like-
somewhere here.
Avesham was that boy's thing, and this seems like a girl thing. Like,
Yeah.
So I really love that. I need more of such kind of song and movies. I haven't watched this movie. I will watch. Moreover, it's Premalu's director's movie, na? Girish.
Yeah,
हाँ.
Girish Eddy.
So,
Girish
so,
Eddy,
so, so
yes,
we
yes.
will surely watch it, and
Girish Eddy.
and I think we should stop it because you
Yeah.
are now
Yeah, sorry. Looking at YouTube analytics. Sorry.
So
Anything
so
to add
guys,
about the song? Any
no.
thought?
What about yours?
Yeah, I really like the setting, the backdrop, the aesthetic of the
Okay.
like, proper wedding. The set was really nice. If you ever get invited there, it would feel really nice.
And if it's sponsored, then Sone Pe Suhaga cherry on the top.
Then we will bring Prithviraj with us from Kochi.
Maybe he will rename himself as Prithviraj and he will bring himself.
Yeah,
on.
I can replace him.
So let's not do more bakwas. Please comment down below what if you are still watching our video then till here. Then please comment what does bakwas mean in English. What do we call bakwas?
Rubbish.
What do you call it in Malayalam?
Oh, but if you ask that, then in every video they will call bakwas to you.
I want to call bakwas to him in
Rashmi
Malayalam
Bakwas.
specially.
Bakwas in Malayalam.
Rubbish.
Rubbish fellow. If
Spoiled.
someday this channel.
Stinking.
What?
Stinking.
I smell so nice. What are you talking about?
Stinking.
Kuch bhi.
You guys can't feel it.
I'm going to edit this video. Edit this part. I am the editor. I will decide.
So,
Yeah,
so for
so-
the love of movies, please like, share, subscribe.
For
to
the love
Filmon.
of movies and also songs. Now we are doing song reactions. We have to improve, update our tagline.
Yeah.
For the love of movies
Okay,
and
for,
songs.
For the love of all the reactions, please subscribe to Filmosophy. Bye.
Bye bye.
Stinky.